Hello, I'm going to show how to make the third person character walk and run. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.23.0. This is the third person blueprint template. I named it Walk Run. On the third person template, the character can only run. You can't walk. So I'm going to show how you can make the character so it will walk by default and then run when you press the left shift key. If you look under Content, Mannequin, Animations, and look at the third person idle run 2D blend space, you can move this green icon to look at the animations. It has idle, walk, and run. So the blend space has the capability of walking and running, but it's not enabled in the blueprint. If you look at the third person walk animation, its speed is set to 93.75, and the third person run animation, its speed is set to 375. We're going to use these values when I set up the run walk in the blueprint. Under Content, third person BP, Blueprints, double click third person character. Program this blueprint. To get character movement, you drag out character movement from here. To get the set, you right click, search for set max walk speed, uncheck context sensitive, and select set max walk speed. I'm going to delete this because I've already done it. Max walk speed here is 375. That's for running, and max walk speed here is 93.75 for walking. And compile and save. And double click the third person character. Highlight character movement. Search for walk speed and change max walk speed to the default walk speed that you want the character to move. In this case, I set it to 92.75 for walk. Press play to test. I'll press W for walking, and then shift for run, and W for walking. Now I go back the other way and press S for walking, and shift for running, and back to walking. And it's working correctly.